IREN just put itself right in the middle of the AI infrastructure boom. And this is exactly the kind of stock that can make investors feel like they've either caught the story early or completely missed it. Because you'd think a company that started as a Bitcoin miner wouldn't suddenly become part of NVIDIA's AI factory plans. But that's exactly what investors are reacting to. IREN now has a major NVIDIA deal, a huge data center pipeline, and a stock that's already up around 500% over the last year. So the real question isn't just, is this exciting? The real question is the market getting ahead of itself, or is this still the early stage of a much bigger AI infrastructure story? Well, that's why in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 biggest things that you need to understand before buying IREN. First, why NVIDIA's deal could completely change how investors view IREN. Second, why the risks are still very real, especially around execution, debt, and the company's Bitcoin mining exposure. And third, what all of that could mean for the stock after such a massive rally. My name is Rick Orford. I'm a Wall Street Journal bestselling author. I've been trading since 1999, and no, I'm not a financial advisor. That is a good thing. I break down the numbers so retail investors like us can make smarter, more confident decisions with our money. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. And you all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with The Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by almost 6 times. Go to fool.com/RickO to get your 10 stock picks right now. IREN is a tech company that's focused on building and operating large-scale data centers that's powered by renewable energy. Now, IREN didn't start out as an AI infrastructure company. No, it started out as a Bitcoin mining company. And that's important because the story here is really about a company that's trying to move from a more volatile Bitcoin mining model into something the market sees as much bigger, more valuable, and potentially much more durable. And that new focus is AI and high-performance computing infrastructure. IREN develops and operates energy-dense compute infrastructure for AI cloud services, GPU computing, and compute-heavy workloads. So basically, that means the company is building the kind of infrastructure that AI companies need when they're training models, running inference, handling cloud workloads, or managing large AI systems. Now, its NVIDIA GPU clusters are designed for AI model training and inference, cloud computing, and AI enterprise workloads. And the scale here is massive. IREN has more than 4.5 gigawatts of secured capacity across 6 locations in North America. So this isn't just a small company saying that it wants to be part of AI. It already has power, land, data center, and infrastructure. And in AI data center world, that means a lot. Because AI doesn't just need chips, it also needs power, it also needs cooling, it also needs land, and of course it needs operating expertise. And it also needs companies that can actually put all of that together at scale. And that's why the latest news matters so much. NVIDIA and IREN entered into a strategic partnership to ramp up the development of up to 5 gigawatts of NVIDIA's AI infrastructure across IREN's data center pipeline. And that is a massive number. I mean, it'd be one thing if this were just a small pilot project, but 5 gigawatts? That puts IREN into a very different conversation. The 2 companies also signed a 5-year contract valued at around $3.4 billion. Under that agreement, IREN will provide GPU cloud services to NVIDIA to power its AI and research workloads. Now, when I first look at a deal like this, I don't look at only the headline number. I want to know exactly what NVIDIA is actually getting. And in this case, the deal includes orchestration and cluster management software. It sounds technical, but it's actually pretty simple. These are the systems that manage thousands of GPUs, servers, and AI workloads that are already inside large AI data centers. So IREN isn't just renting out empty space. It's trying to provide the infrastructure and the systems that are needed to run large-scale AI workloads. The infrastructure will also be designed using NVIDIA DSX, which is NVIDIA's framework and blueprint for designing and operating large-scale AI factories. And that phrase, AI factory, is important because NVIDIA doesn't just see AI as chips going into random data centers. It sees AI as an industrial system. You need the chips, you need the power, you need the software, you need this data center design, and you need the ability to operate everything together. And IREN is trying to position itself as one of the companies that can actually make all of that happen. The partnership is expected to expand AI compute across to AI companies, startups, and enterprise clients. So the big idea here is that NVIDIA's AI factory architecture gets combined with IREN's renewable power capacity, its data centers, its GPU deployment, and of course its infrastructure operations. So that's the bull case in one sentence. IREN has the power and the infrastructure. NVIDIA, they've got the architecture and the demand. And the market is betting that combined, those two could create something much bigger than IREN's old Bitcoin mining business. The deployment is expected to focus on IREN's 2-gigawatt Sweetwater campus in Texas, and that could become a flagship deployment for NVIDIA's DSX architecture. And IREN will also use NVIDIA Blackwell platform systems, which are expected to be initially deployed within about 60 megawatts of its existing data centers in Texas. Now, that matters because Blackwell is NVIDIA's next major AI platform. So IREN isn't just talking about older technology. It's tying its future to NVIDIA's latest and greatest AI systems. And then there's another piece that investors clearly noticed. Under the agreement, NVIDIA also received a 5-year right to purchase up to 30 million shares of IREN's ordinary stock at an exercise price of $70 a share. That means NVIDIA has the right to invest up to $2.1 billion into IREN. And I bet you've seen this before, right? When a dominant company takes the right to buy a smaller partner, investors usually see that as validation, not a guarantee, not a free pass, but definitely validation. Because NVIDIA isn't just a customer here, it's also a strategic partner with the right to become a much larger shareholder. And that's why this deal has changed the way investors are looking at IREN. The NVIDIA deal provides validation that IREN is evolving into the world's larger AI infrastructure platforms. It also validates IREN's infrastructure and long-term AI strategy, something that was recently discussed in my community. And if the company can execute, this could position IREN as a key AI factory operator, especially as NVIDIA looks to deploy up to 5 gigawatts of AI infrastructure and accelerate IREN's data center capacity. And that would certainly strengthen IREN's move towards higher value AI cloud services. And those services could span GPU clusters, orchestration software, and AI infrastructure management. Over time, that could lead to higher recurring revenues and better margins. But now I have to slow all of this down because as exciting as all of this sounds, the risks are also very real and they're not small. Given its AI pivot, IREN still faces execution risk as it shifts from Bitcoin mining and towards AI cloud infrastructure. The company still has to prove that it can consistently deploy GPUs, operate large-scale AI data centers, and service major contracts. And you'd honestly expect better visibility after a deal like this, wouldn't you? But the reality is that a partnership alone doesn't automatically remove execution risk. It actually raises the bar because now IREN has to prove that it can deliver on a much larger stage. And the company's recent numbers prove why this transition still matters. IREN's fiscal third quarter revenue fell 21.6% to $144.8 million. And that decline was driven by lower Bitcoin prices and mining hardware being decommissioned. So even though the AI story is getting most of the attention, the company's revenue is still heavily impacted by Bitcoin mining. And AI cloud revenues have only partially offset that decline. And that's the big point, because investors are valuing IREN like an AI infrastructure company, but the current financials still show a company in transition. And transitions, they can be messy. The company's net loss also widened to $247.8 million from $155.4 million in the previous quarter. And that happened even though the cost of revenues decreased by $25.9 million because of lower electricity costs after IREN reduced its Bitcoin mining capacity. So on one hand, the company is moving towards AI infrastructure, but on the other hand, the financial statements, they still carry the weight of the older Bitcoin mining business, and of course the costs of scaling something much bigger. And that brings me to financing. Scaling AI infrastructure requires a lot of money. I mean, a lot. IREN recently issued $3 billion in convertible senior notes due in 2033 for general corporate purposes and working capital. Now, that should provide a liquidity buffer as the company scales its AI data center capacity. And that's important because these projects require serious capital before the revenue is going to show up. There's a trade-off. Rising debt could put IREN's balance sheet under pressure, and it also increases the risks tied to financing. So the company does have a big opportunity, but it also still has a big bill to pay. And that's really the tension in this story. The upside is huge if IREN becomes a major AI infrastructure platform, but the execution risk, the financing risks, and the leftover Bitcoin exposure, well, it's still part of that equation. Now, let's have a look at the stock. Over the last 52 weeks, IREN has traded between $8 and $77. And the stock is up around 500% over that period. That is a huge move. And when a stock moves that much, that fast, I always ask a simple question. What changed? Well, in IREN's case, the biggest driver of the recovery seems to be the $3.4 billion partnership with NVIDIA to deploy up to 5 gigawatts of AI infrastructure. That announcement triggered a sharp rally because investors viewed it as validation from the dominant AI company. And that makes total sense. The market saw the deal as a sign that NVIDIA trusts IREN's infrastructure enough to become both a customer and a strategic partner. Plus, NVIDIA received the right to invest up to $2.1 billion in IREN stock. That further validated IREN as an AI investment in the eyes of the market. Now, if you've been watching IREN but think, look, it's still too expensive. Maybe you want to buy it 10, 15, 20% below where it is right now. Check this video up here because I talk about how you can sell a cash-secured put on a stock you want to own and get paid to wait for it to potentially come down to your price. And if it does, you get to buy it and you got paid to buy it. And I think that is a very practical way to think about a stock like this. Because after a 500% run, the question isn't just whether the story is exciting. The question is whether the price already reflects all of this excitement. So, to answer that, let's look at the valuation. Right now, IREN has a market cap of almost $19 billion. At the moment, the stock is also trading at about 42 times sales. That means that investors are paying nearly $42 for every dollar the company is generating in revenue. That's not cheap. Further, the stock is also trading at about 7 times its book value. So investors are paying more than $7 for every dollar the company has in its net worth, which is the value of all of its assets minus its liabilities. Overall, I say IREN is trading at a premium because investors are pricing it as a high-growth AI infrastructure play. I mean, they're not valuing it like a traditional Bitcoin miner anymore. They're valuing it based on the idea that AI cloud infrastructure could become a much larger and more stable market. And I understand why. AI infrastructure demand is enormous. NVIDIA needs more capacity, enterprises need more compute, and AI companies need places to run increasingly demanding workloads. So if IREN can successfully secure customers for its GPU clusters, revenue could increase many times over. Of course, investors are clearly betting that AI revenue could eventually become the main driver of the company's top-line growth. And that's the key word here. Eventually, because the market isn't paying for what IREN is today, it's paying for what IREN might become. And sometimes that works beautifully, but sometimes the market also gets a little too far ahead of the actual business. So does any of this make IREN a buy at these levels? Well, consider that a consensus among 14 analysts, they rate IREN a moderate buy with a rating of 4.14 out of 5. And the mean and high target prices suggest that investors could expect between 48% and 108% potential upside. And that is very meaningful. It tells me that analysts still see room for the stock to run just as long as IREN executes. But again, I wouldn't look at this as a simple target story. The real story is whether IREN can turn this NVIDIA partnership into durable AI infrastructure revenue. IREN's strategic partnership and AI cloud contract with NVIDIA have strengthened conviction in the company's growth story. Sure. And IREN is positioning itself as an AI factory operator powered by NVIDIA's GPUs and DSX architecture. Yes. And that all supports its 5 gigawatt data center pipeline across North America, Europe, and the APAC. But looking ahead, management expects a $3.7 billion annualized run rate at just 10% of capacity. That would suggest that IREN could scale its annualized revenue by 10 times to $37 billion if it fully utilizes its entire capacity. And that's the kind of number here that really ought to get investors excited. And honestly, I understand why. Because if IREN can scale anywhere close to that, the company could look very different a few years from now. But a lot of it still has to go right. IREN needs to deploy the infrastructure. It needs to manage its financing. It needs to win and service its customers. And it needs to prove that the AI cloud business can become large enough to outweigh the volatility from Bitcoin mining. So here's what I'm thinking, right? If you think the NVIDIA partnership validates IREN's AI pivot and its long-term strategy, then this stock is definitely worth considering even after a massive rally. Because in that scenario, the market may be looking at IREN as an early-stage AI infrastructure platform, not just a former Bitcoin miner. But if you're more concerned about execution risk, financing, and how much optimism is already priced into the stock, it may be better to wait a few quarters for more proof. And that proof would likely come from revenue growth, customer wins, successful GPU deployments, and clearer evidence that AI cloud infrastructure is becoming the main driver of the business. For me, this is a fascinating stock because it sits right at the intersection of 3 huge themes. We've got AI infrastructure, renewable power, and the transition away from Bitcoin mining. But it also makes it a high-risk story because the upside is still tied to a future that still needs to be built. So now I want to turn it over to you. Before I go, I've got a couple more questions. Do you believe in what IREN's doing? Do you own the stock? Are you buying, selling, or holding? And is there any other stock you'd like me to cover in the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're there, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps others find the video, it supports the channel, and it makes sure that you don't miss out on my next deep dive. Well, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.